Here's a LinkedIn tip you probably didn't think of. We've all heard it's better to give than to receive. We hear these words on holidays, but rarely do they come up in a Monday status meeting. A friend used to work at LinkedIn, and he told me something I haven't considered. He said, "How many recommendations do you have?" You know, the place at the bottom of your profile where you can give and receive kind words about your experiences with people. I said embarrassed, maybe 4 or 5. Then he asked, "How many have you given?" I wasn't sure, but I think I said 7. He said, "Good." He explained it's a better reflection on you to have given more recommendations than to have received them. Now, when you think about it, of course it makes sense. We have that LinkedIn page as a living resume and reflection of our professional life. And there's nothing wrong with receiving great recommendations, but think about this. Isn't it a better reflection on us to show that we've given more recommendations than we've actually received? How often have you seen profiles where people say they're team players and committed to helping people, and they haven't written any recommendations at all? Why not prove that you're more interested in helping others by giving more than you receive? Want some examples? Check out my profile and let's connect. Recommendations take time and effort, but anything in life that's great takes time and effort. Don't wait. Give one right now. Wait. Hey, it really helps the channel if you like this video to click the thumbs up. Also, comment in the section down below and make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get a notification every week. And we'll see you next week.